Good morning, students. I welcome you all to the Sheba Group of School online class. I am really very happy to be with you once again to handle our English lesson, 11th standard. So now we are in the 5th unit. Already I have taken you prose and poetry. Now it's a supplementary story, The Singing Lesson, written by Catherine Mansfield. She's a lady writer. She writes about a singing lesson. The mood of a person is very important. So you should not spoil the mood of a person. The mood makes us happy. Always try to be a happy mood. So the next thing is the characters of the story is very important. So Miss Meadows, the music teacher, the science mistress, Mary Beasley is the helper or a companion of this teacher who plays piano for the song. Next is Basil, the Meadows, the person who is going to marry Meadows. Next is Monica, the small girl, and this is Miss Watt is the headmistress of this school. So usually used to go to the author of the poem is lesson or the non-detail, whatever it is, you should know about the author. So here we are going to see on page number 164. Use your book while the lesson is being taken. So about the author, Kathleen Mansfield Murray. She was born in 1888 and she lived till 1923. Was a New Zealand short story writer. So who wrote under the pen name Catherine Mansfield? She left New Zealand at the age of 19 years. Till 19 years they were staying in New Zealand. Then they settled down in UK, United Kingdom, where she gained the friendship of great writers such as D.H. Lawrence. He has written many prose and poetries and is a well-known writer. And Virginia Woolf. Bliss and the Garden Party were the collection of short stories. So the Bliss was written by her. She wrote many poems and her collected letters were a great success. So she loves the language. So she writes the story. So this story is about a singing lesson. So it's in a classroom mood where the students are there, the teacher and the other people are there. So now let us go to the story. So with despair, cold, sharp despair buried deep in her heart like a wicked knife, Miss Meadows. So Miss Meadows is entering the class. The mood of the person is despair, a confused mood. So she enters in a cap and a gown. So she was wearing a cap and a gown and she was having a small stick to conduct the music. The musician used to have it. That is called as the baton. So she was entering and the students, those who were there, they were girls and boys of the thing, girls of all ages, rosy from the air. So the children are well dressed and they are very happy mood in the singing class. Was running to school on the fine autumn morning. So she was hurried, skipped, fluttered up. So she was in a very hurry to. So from the hollow classrooms came a quick drumming. So the students, those who were sitting there, they were enjoying the class playing and drumming and they were singing and they were having a very good time. So the bell rang and the voice like a bird carried in. You too. So usually the students, what they were in the class, what happened, they used to have a mimicry voice. So mutual he called. And then there came the staircase, a tremendous. So while he was calling, she turned back and she was knocking. So she was having a tumbles in her hand. The science so and the Meadows was walking opposite side. The science mistress was passing and usually she used to greet. So he said, "Good morning," she cried. in her sweet, affected drawl. So as soon as she saw Miss Meadows coming on the opposite side, she whispered, "Is it cold? Isn't it cold? It might be winter. So the climate is so cold outside. I think it would be a winter season." Miss Meadows hugging the knife. The Miss Meadows' mood was already in a disturbed mood. She was not quiet because she is having the mood is like having a knife in her hand. So started and hatred. So she doesn't want to reply the signs and she passed away. So everything about the sweet pale like honey and surprise. So it's rather sharp, said Miss Meadows grimmingly. The others smiled with, so the opposite said, so they were passing the words and they passed away. Then you look frozen. So she asked Meadows. Usually used to be in a very good mood. But now she is having a frozen. She was not able to answer it. Said her. Her blue eyes opened wide and knocking. Oh, not quite a bad as that, said Miss Meadows. Not like that, but I am not in a good mood. Science Minister extending to her smile a quick grin. So and after the smile, what happened? Whenever you see person, you have to smile at them. So when she entered the class, there was fourth from those classes of the students. So different, the students were from different classes, were assembled there in the music hall. The noise was deafening. So inside the students, what happened? They were making noise and the noise was very loud, as if it was deafening. On the platform by the piano. So on the platform there was a piano and Mary Bissett. She was accompaniment. So she is the person. So when they sing, what happened? She used to play the piano. She was turning to the music tool. When she saw Miss Meadows, entering into the class, she said that, so keep quiet. So what happened when she entered? Shh, girl said, and Meadows with her hand. So what happened? She pulled out all the sleeves, and there she was wearing a cap, and she was having a small stick battle in her hand. So silence, please. So when she saw the students, what he said, she ordered the students, silence, please, immediately. I want all of you to keep quiet, and we are going to start this is the usual words of a teacher. And when she enters, what happened? The noise will be there. So the same way, silence, please, immediately, and looked at nobody. Her glance swept. So she was going here. So the hair and other things were there. I feel more and more strongly that our marriage would be a miss. So what happened is, she got a letter. So what is the reason for our out of mood is, she got a letter from that Basil, the finance. So what happened? So the letter was like this, that she tossed her and defining him. So the letter says that, what could be the thoughts of the Creator? So death prevails. So I am full of very strong, so I am not in a very good. Basil, Miss Meadows stayed over the piano. So she called. So while she was talking also, what happened? The mood has disturbed her. Although she is in the music class, conducting the music and other things, but her heart is not there in there. So when you are going for a work, so don't disturb the elders. So they will be going for a work and they have to go and work, which is will be the good fare or the welfare of the family. So but here what happened? She is in a disturbed and a disguised mood. Oh, so she said that. And in the letter what happened? The words was discussed and it was being scored away. The letter is being written by Basil, the person she loves her, who she is going to marry, was written. And after that what happened? Striking out that I regret. So the man says that there is a confusion now, we will wait. So after that what happened? She started to sing. So the class is going on. So what happened? Usually the Mary who is with that in the piano, she put some beautiful yellow chrysanthemums flowers. So it's a ritual. Usually in foreign countries, they used to give a rose or everything anything in their hand, and they used to invite them. So they will, what they do, they will get the rose and they will, usually in the marriages we can see, there will be rose and other thing will be kept on the entrance, on the receptioning place. So usually the women, what they do, they take a flower and they keep it in the hand. What they do, they put it in a coat and they make themselves happy. This is a little rituals. So these are what our habits which happen. So thank you, Mary. So used to say, the Mary was horror. And Miss Meadow totally ignored. So what happened? She got the flower and she simply left it there. She didn't even look at it. So it was a little bit of Mary got something. So not replying. But pages. So what happened? She started to take the lesson. Voice of the age. So like eyes means like the sorrowful voice. Page 14, please. And mark the ascent. So usually when they sing, what happened, they used to mark that and where they go up and downs and other thing. Staring moment, Mary, blessed with the tears stood in her eyes. So she was having. So Mary was also disturbed. So when you are disturbed, what happened? You try to disturb others also. So but Miss Meadows was gone back to the music stand. So she was going to the stand was there and the notes and other things was at the front. Page 14, we will begin with page 14, a lament. A lament means a sorrowful song. So usually the teachers, what they do is, when they enter the class, they make us happy first. So you also, what happened, you were starting mocking at the teachers, and a few minutes what teachers used to spend. So they want themselves to be happy also, and the students. So, but here she starts. Now girls, you ought to know it by time, we shall take it. First what happened, let us sing together. So sing it through and quiet and simple. So take your hand and tap for the beats, for the rhythm. What you have to do is, you have to tap your hand like this, the left hand. So the song, they started to sing, the sorrowful song. She raised the baton. So what happened? She was raised. The students used to look at the teacher, how they. So when the teacher raises the hand, they have to lift the. They tap the music, stand twice. Down came Mary on the opening chord. So what happened? Mary started to play the piano. Fast. So the lines of the song is, fast star to fast fade the roses of pleasure. Soon autumn yield unto the winter. Dearer fleetly, oh fleety, music gay. So the song goes like this. So good heaven, what could be more tragic? So you are singing, already the song is a lament song. So what happened? You are singing it more slowly and dragging the song. It seems that it is more and more lamenting. Every note was saying. And so when you hear the song, it is like crying. So I feel more and more strongly that our marriage would be. So in the meantime also what happened, she is thinking about herself and talking that. What she says is that I feel more and more strongly that our marriage would be. So when if I marry also, I don't know how is this, my husband, the coming husband Basil will be. And he was going on. Then how she was smiled so that like a man from the listening ear sang the voice once again. So while she was thinking all this thing, what happened? The song was over. And again what she told the children, again we are going to sing the same lamented song. But this time in parts. They used to sing in 3 parts. Used to say that tenor, alto and the thing. So what happened is, the song has been like this. So let us sing without expression. It should be in parts, but without. Usually singers, what they do, they show their expression. The song which has been very jovial or very happy song, what they do, they used to sing very happily and make the person who are listening also happy. But here what happened is, the song is very well. So don't show the experience. So again she started, faster too. So then the song is going on. So he stroked his hair and mistakes. So how do handsome? So again she was thinking about Basil. The song was going on, but her thought was fully on the thing which happened, the letter which came from Basil. That day you had wanted to wait, and she is not a little bit interested in her. First he took the head. The headmistress wife keep on asking me. So what I mean, he's thinking about the Basil used to say. The headmistress wife used to work, and it's a perfect news, and I never get an evening for him. But you can't. But can't you refuse? Oh well. So music gave measures. So again she started to sing. Quite good, said Miss Meadows, but still in such a strange, stony tone that the youngest also, they made her to sing and sing and sing, and they were started to get tired. And some of them were very tired. And what happened? They wanted to. So the mood makes a person to disturbed and not to be very much interested in the job which she is doing. It's a very good job. Teaching songs to others is a very good job. But the mood has been changed. Now she is in a very, very disturbed. Again, the two little taps. She lifted. Again she took the stick and again started faster, too fast. So again the song was being sing. So it was going on like that. Repeat, said Miss Meadows. More expression. So she now will sing with expression. So once more. So the past. But my darling, if you love me, though this, but I don't mind how much it is. So again she is thinking about the love. With he says that. I don't know. But she knew that he didn't love her. So she thought came to a conclusion that this Basil did not love her. Soon autumn yielded unto the winter year. So again she could never face so everybody knows this affairs of Meadows and Basil. So what the science mistress will tell? She would have disappear somewhere, passes away. The voice began to die. So the voice began to come. Now slowly the door opened. A little girl in blue walked swiftly into up there. So a small girl is entering, hanging with her head, biting her lips, and twisted the silver bangle with her heart. She came up to the steps and stood before Madam. Well, Monica. So the girl's name is Monica. She only enters the thing. What is it? Oh, if you please, Miss Meadows, said the little girl, gasping. Miss Watts wants to see you in the headmistress room. So Miss Watts is the headmistress of the school, music school. So Monica, what she does, she enters the music room and she asks Miss Meadow that the headmistress of our school wants to meet you. Very well, said Miss Meadows, and she called the girls. So the girls were singing there, and they were, and said, I shall put you on your honor. So you take up yourself. So I am going to go out and meet our headmistress. So don't simply make it talk or make nuisance here. So go on singing. But they were to substitute to anything else. Most of them were blowing their nose. So what happened? Singing, and they got tired. They were blowing their nose. The conductor was silent and echoed. They echoed to Miss Meadows' steps. The headmistress sat at, so now she is inside the headmistress' room, steps. The headmistress sat on her desk, so she was doing some work there. For a moment, she did not look up, so she was. And sit down, Miss Meadows, she said very kindly, and she picked up the pink envelope. So there was an envelope in a blotting. Usually they used to have a board like this, and in that she was having a pink and it was added over. The telegram, she said, for me. Miss, what? So it's a telegram for you. Usually in olden days what happened? Only the newses which is very making a sad will come in as. So Basil has given you a telegram. He has committed So she was thinking that, his Basil, what he did? Did he suicide himself? I hope it's not bad news, she said. No more than kindly, and it's not a bad news. Pay no attention to letter. Must have been mad. So Basil writes it. Don't think anything about the thing what I have written to you. Pay no attention to that. Okay, leave that letter. Brought a hat stand towards Basil. She read. She couldn't take her eyes off the telegram, so she got a good news. Now what happened? I do hope it's nothing very serious. So the headmistress is asking, so it is not serious. Oh no, thank you, Miss Watts. blushes this meadow. It's nothing bad. So the news is not very bad. It is, she gave an apologist little laugh. So with a laugh she went away. That's what's a pass. So what happened? She was said miss. And another pass. Then you have 15 minutes. So you got 15 minutes more to end up your class. Again, now you can go. Yes, miss what? She got up. So she ran. So now she is in a happy mood. The first letter which she saw was the master was refusing. Now he says, don't think about that letter. So the mood is been. Oh, just a moment. Just a minute, Miss Meadows said. Miss. Okay, so hereafter what happened? Telegram is not being allowed. So hereafter don't miss. On the wings of hope and love and joy. So these are the mode of a very good person. One is you should have hope in your life. Next is you should love others as you love yourself. The Bible says like that. Love yourself. And also you love others. And also joy. Always be happy. Whatever may be the situation. So try to be happy. So now she enters into the music room. And she is in a very, very happy mood. Says, page 32, Mary. She said, page 32. So, and she went inside and the flowers which was given by Mary. She took one flower from that. She held it in her lips. So, she was very, very happy. She was not able to stop her smile. Then she turned to the girls, tapped her button. Page 32, page 32. We come here today with the flowers of Latin. So it's a very song. Stop. What are you singing? It's a words which is there. The flowers, the land and the basket, fruits. And it's too contrasting. So why are you dragging the song? As if you are singing a lament song, a sorrow song. It's a happy song. Stop, cried Miss Meadows. That is awful. That is not good. So that is dreadful. Then what's the matter with you all? So she's asking the girls now, what happened to you? Think, girls, this is you are singing. Use your imagination with flowers, laden baskets, fruits and ribbon of fruit and congratulate. Miss Meadow broke off. Don't look so doleful, girls. Don't be in a very drowsy mood. I thought of a sound warning. Joyfully. Congratulations once again, quick. All together. So let us sing the song together. And this time Miss Meadows' voice sounded the lament and the sad voice changed. Now she is happy over all other voice. So she was singing very loud now, full deep, glowing with expression. The song was so good and she was singing. So my dear children, the mood of a person makes us very bad. So when you are working or when you are at home also, don't disturb your parents. They will be thinking about you and they will be morally disturbed. So if you disturb them, so what happened? They will be, the whole situation will change in your family. So you have to keep your parents very happy. Love them and be joyful with them. So three things the writer writes us. So first thing is, be happy in your family. And what happened? Love your family. Love your parents, love your brothers and sisters, and always be joyful. If it is like that, whatever may be the mood, the family will be in a very good and happy, and it will be a blessed family. So keep this in mind. Don't disturb others' mood, and you also don't disturb yourself, and be happy. So thank you very much, students, for being with me. God bless you, and go through this lesson and make your studies well. Thank you very much.